Do you have any Harry Potter fans out there? These are for you. Did you know that J.K. Rowling, the author, and Harry share a birthday, which is July 31st?
Interesting. What's the first things wizards do in the morning?
I don't know. What?
They wake up.
Does anyone out there know how many books there are in the original Harry Potter series? That's right. There's 7.
Cool. Let's explore Hogwarts with Aiden, Liam, and Colt to their original skit, Harry Potter.
Woo!
On October 31st, 1981, Voldemort entered the home of Lily and James Potter. There was a flash. Both Lily and James Potter instantly perished. Only little Harry was left. But to Voldemort's surprise, the ending story cast on little Harry didn't work. Voldemort fled buried alive, and Harry was left with a lightning bolt scar on his forehead, famously becoming the boy who lived. 10 years later, Harry has been living at the Dursleys on number 4 Privet Drive. Harry is forced to sleep in the cupboard under the stairs. I'm warning you, Potter! One wrong step in the zoo and you won't be leaving that cupboard till Christmas!
Yes, sir.
Later at the zoo.
Where are you from?
Brazil?
Oh, bred in captivity. I've never met my parents either.
Out the way, Potter! Ugly snake, look out!
Mommy!
Where'd the glass go? Not long after the incident with the snake, Harry finds himself learning real magic and making new friends at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. In class, the students are practicing swish and flick with their wands.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium
Leviosa. Wrong! Stop! You're doing it all wrong. And you're gonna poke someone's eye out. It's Wingardium Leviosa, not Wingardium Leviosa.
Well, you do it if you're so clever.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
The end.